So I think everyone will have 2 or 3 devices now. So when we talk about the application on mobile, development of the application to be executed on mobile, so mobile users, they are expecting some feature, they want some feature that are provided on their personal computers. Some of them would agree and they will be happy if they could get the mobile version of that software, maybe with less functionality, but they are happy that they are getting it in a handheld device, so they can work on it on the go. So there are certain development considerations of mobile app. So we are talking about software, we are talking about app, but app is a short form of application, and these applications are, you can say, a lightweight software. And you might have felt how easy it is to work on these apps now. So like all computing devices, these mobile platforms, they are also differentiated by the application of the software they are delivering. Because the operating system, maybe it can be Android, it can be an iOS operating system, and the mobile apps available are thousands of them. You only need and you only use some subset of these available mobile apps. Now the young kids, the individuals, they don't need any training. They are creating, they are making, they are selling the apps, new apps, mobile apps. But the mobile platforms are quite complex. I'll give an example. Android and iOS, they contain over 12 million lines of code. If you take an operating system which is called Android, it has line of codes 12 million. 1 million is 10 lakh. You can imagine the complexity of the operating system. So if you are working, say, on a screen, mobile screen, now when you open a browser, sometimes you might not be able to see the full content on a web page, because you are working on 25, 27, 30, 32 screen of your laptop, or laptop is around 15, 17 like this. But you are working on a computer, a PC, you are working on a 30-inch monitor now. But what about your browser on the mobile? Mobile, what is the size of the screen? It is 5-inch or 5.5 or say 6, because beyond that it will be a tablet. So mobile devices have smaller and very different screen sizes than the personal computers. So these are the different sizes, 5, 5.5, 6. If you go up to 8, then it will become a tablet now. So now this, you might have understood that the user interface design, this is a very important issue, and as a software developer, as an application developer, you need to give more attention towards it. And these mobile apps, how do we design them? First of all, mobile is moving everywhere. It is in your pocket, it is in your hand. You are on a train, you are on a bus, you are walking. So you ought to feel the intermittent connectivity outages, right? Sometimes the mobile network, you are connected, data you are getting, sometimes you are connected to Wi-Fi. And most of the time, the connectivity may be an issue, but if connectivity is good, that is okay. But when you go to some place where the connectivity is an issue, as a developer, you have to understand that the battery is limited. Okay, if you're doing, say, playing some game, the battery will die. And there are so many device constraints also. There is one more thing, that if you open, say, Bluetooth or say Wi-Fi, so you are discovering the devices. So what is the coordination mechanism? How are you exchanging the information? And thereby doing all this, you have to maintain the security also. And while you are communicating, you have to be very sure about the integrity. You are talking to the right person. And then synchronizing all these actions. So this is how we develop the mobile application. Sometimes you as an application developer, you use an algorithm which is inefficient. So the inefficient algorithm will drain the battery at no time. For example, if you're uploading, just try it. Connect your mobile with hotspot to your PC and then use your browser of your PC to upload using the mobile connection of your mobile. You will see that your mobile will get hot, whatever good mobile you have. This will happen. I am saying 1 GB, 2 GB, you just try it. And since we want the communication to happen on the same mobile network, so we need to have a middleware. So this middleware will allow different types of mobile devices to communicate in the same mobile networks. You see in this picture, applications need middleware so that it can connect to wireless network, even the wired network. The testing of these mobile apps is a great challenge because it will work, it will execute, it will be used on different environments. So you need to have a portability in your view, in your perception, whenever you develop your application.